They came out really dark. I did get videos yesterday, but they didn't turn out. Show him up in the... Hold him up so she can see him. Yeah, there you go. I wonder if somebody go get that little sugar because that little Jayla just barks at him and she won't leave him alone.
Come here, Spencer. Grab that dog and put it in its big.
Honey, you can move him around. You don't have to be stiff. Okay, you can put him down now. Just let him play. If he'll play. Oh yeah, he's going to want to play with you now. You can scratch him. He says, I'm glad to see ya. Where have you been? Give him kisses, because that's what he wants. Just to hold him good so you won't drop him. Cute little fluff ball on his tail. And my battery's about dead now. Aww. Let's see if I can get his. Are you giving kisses? Are you giving kisses, huh? Are you giving Izzy kisses, huh? Are you giving Izzy kisses? You're just a little fluff ball. Okay, that's